25.4, like that it will be there. So when they are changing the Gen 3 to Gen 4, major changes will be there. But 25.4 or 25.6, in that case, very minor changes will be there. Okay. So coming to the in OIC, we have two more
Recording in progress.
Coming to before we discuss about the integrations, same like SAS in the past also we have users. SAS we have created the users, right? SAS we have users. So how we can create the users in the SAS?
In security console, we can add users.
Yes. Using security console, we can create the users. So PaaS also we have a concept called users. So what security console after you create the user? So there is a concept called role, right?
Yeah, role we need to.
So what role will do here? Role will be restrict the options for
users.
For example, I want to display some information for one user, some information for another user. So that restriction will be taken care by role. So here also there is a concept called users and roles. So security console, we can create the users. Here by using the roles, we can, I can say by using the role, we can restrict the specific options. So PaaS also we have users and roles concept. So these users, roles, the instances, like I told that yesterday, instances. So what is the instances here? OIC instance, VBCS. I can say in the PaaS instance, we have a tools, OIC tool, VBCS, Apex, ATP database. OIC, VBCS, Apex, ATP database, okay, ATP database, and OPA. So there are many tools are there, but majorly we are going to discuss this. So these tools will be handled. So these tools who will create? In the past we have tools, right? OIC. So in the SAS also we have tools, right? BIP reports, OTBI, HDL, FBDI, like that we have tools, right? FBDI, HDL, FBDI, HCM extract, BIP. Like that we have tools in the SAS also. So that SAS tools will come like when we add the roles, automatically those options will come, right? Correct or not?
Yes.
So when we add the roles, those options will come. So that means that is inbuilt functionality. But here, these tools, OIC, VBCS, these tools in the past, we need to create, or maybe we need to create the, I can say, tools. Okay, we need to create the tools in OCI console. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So PaaS also we have users, roles, instances. Or instances, or I can say tools. PaaS instance, we have tools. What are the tools available? These tools. So these tools, OCI team will be create. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure team will be create these tools. Okay. So like SaaS also we are using the demo instance, right? SaaS also we are using the demo instance. For PaaS also we have a demo instance will be there. We have demo instance. So in the demo instances, guys, Oracle giving free subscription for PaaS tools for 1 month. So for PaaS tools, Oracle giving a subscription to create these tools, and you can use these tools for 1 month. And first one month we can create tools. First 1 month we can create the tools, but second month onwards we cannot create any tools. Second month onwards we cannot create any tools. First 1 month we can create the tools. Second month onwards we cannot create any tools. Only we can use the tools in the subscription. The subscription, when you take the subscription, okay, of this PaaS instance, so we have it. We can have option to create the tools. First 1 month we have option to create the tools. Second month onwards, in a month I can create a number of tools. So OIC you can create, OIC tool you can create, OIC tool you can delete. Okay. So OIC tool you can create, delete. Everything is possible in the first month. Second month onwards, whatever the tools we have created, right, that tools we can use, but we cannot modify and we cannot delete it, and we cannot create also. So that is the demo instance. That is the demo instance Oracle has given. Understand, or any confusion, guys? Or do you want to repeat anything also? I can repeat now. But in the real time, so this is the case of only demo instances, guys. This is the case of only demo instance. But in the real instance, client will take the license of this PaaS tools, and they will pay the money to Oracle company. So this 1 month, 2 months, whatever I told you, right? So these and all will not be applicable for real instances. In the real time instances, this will not be applicable. So this is only for, I'm explaining for the demo instances case. Got it or not, guys? Any confusion?
Anytime they can create and anytime they can use those tools, right?
Your voice is coming very low, Nanda.
Within 1 month, we need to do it, sir. Like only over 1 month is it for the demo instances.
Yeah, within 1 month only. First, we can create the demo instance. First, we have to create the subscription for the OCI. So this required international credit card. International credit card that will deduct 1 USD. So this required, if you have international credit card, you also can able to subscribe the PaaS instance. Understand or not? if you have international credit card, so you can able to create the OCI free demo instances for PaaS instances. Once again, I'm telling guys, if you have international credit card, so you have you can able to subscribe the demo instance for the PaaS that contains options to create these tools. Okay, let me note on that point. So if you have a international credit card, you can able to create the PaaS instance. We can able to create the PaaS instance and you can have options to create the tools. What tools you can create? These tools. And these tools can use till 2 months, till next 2 months. Understand or not, guys? So if you go to the OCI console, so this link I will share in the learning notes. In the OCI, so you have an option called not an Oracle customer yet. Go to the sign up. So this is the Oracle free tier new CI account. Understand the navigation or not? So create a free tier account. So you need to mention the your details, and there is some basic steps are there. So you have to go next, then it will create. But if you have a international credit card, it will ask the international credit card details. So once you create the international credit card information there, it will create your OCI account. That is called PaaS account or OCI account. Understand or any confusion, you can feel free to ask me, guys. Any question, guys? Okay. So guys, since you are not asking any question, that is fine. So for example, I already created the instances. Upload upon name. So guys, even if it is simple question, also you can ask me.
No, Vamsi.
Okay. Let me share the screen. Okay, I will show you once again. First, we need to go to this website. And if you want to create the new account, you can go here. And if you already account has been created, assume that I already created the account. So you can mention the account name. Click on next. When you click the next now, it will ask the some OTP name. You can't sign. So it will ask the approval to me. So this kind of security mechanisms will be there. Actually, guys, in the real time, guys, you will not do this OCI, guys. In the real time, you will not do this OCI related work. You will not do. So you will do only OIC developments. So simple, guys. This OIC different and OCI different. OCI is the console for developing these tools. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is the one of the instance for the PaaS that contains option to create these instances or these tools. Okay. So now this work will do by OCI developer, infrastructure team, or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure team will be there
Or
in the
admin team will take admin team.
Yeah, for the OCA, we have a separate team will be there, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure team. Okay, so consider, for example, I want to create the instance, new instance. So what you will do, you have to go to the, developer services. For example, if I want to create the Visual Builder, I can create here. If I want to create the Visual Builder Studio, you can create here. Integration, I want to create, click on integrations. Okay, so create the instance. If you click the create instance, see, please check if your account has enough subscription entitlement. So what is the meaning of this one? So I have subscribed this instance October 30 days, October 25th, 2024. That means I don't have option to create the new instance. I already told you, no? So after 1 month of the subscription, you will not have option to create the new instance.
See, in that case, that second month onwards also, that means when 60 days completed, after that also we cannot use this instance as per your statement.
No, we can use the instances which I already created.
Okay.
So the instances which I already created, I can use, but you cannot create the new.
In the first 30 days, we can create instances. That means from 31 days onwards, we can utilize the existing instance.
Exactly.
That
Correct.
means
You're understanding correct.
60 days or 90 days or 120 days, we can utilize it.
See, sometimes normally Oracle will give 2 months only.
Okay.
So after 2 months, you cannot create, you cannot use that instances also.
Okay.
Nowadays, Oracle changed. Maybe I have created October 25th, but still I am using this.
Okay.
Oracle often changing the rules and the things. First it was 1 month.
That means
you can create the instance.
Around till the 4th month is running.
Now 4th month is running, but still I am using. So how Oracle maintaining the rules, we don't know. But till how many days it will come, we will use it. If the instance expire now, then I already told you now how to create the instances.
Yeah. And
so I already show you. Tell me.
We create instance that time that authenticator it is showing now for each and every user we can create. That means for every person we can create it. That is okay.
Every person, yeah. Every person you can able to create the instance.
Okay.
But you need to have international credit card.
That international is enabled in our credit card.
Credit card, that's it. Yeah. But usually, whatever I have observed, guys, India we are not able to creating the instances. I am taking the help from the US people and creating the instances. Yeah, pass. I don't know, but sometimes India also we can able to create the instances. I don't know how Oracle is doing all these things. There is no logic in that.
This instance created by whoever available in on-site, they'll create it.
For me, they have created.
Okay.
I have taken help from my US friends and created the instances. PaaS instance.
I think I also created one instance related to this.
Okay. So that is fine.
Sir,
Okay, no problem.
sir, in SAS instance, functional people will do some work, na? Here, OIC people will do this, will create these tools, right?
That is the reason
In
again you
past,
people are getting confusion. OCI team is there. OCI
yeah,
team will be taken care.
like similar to like functional team. There will
Functional.
team will in that past functional team will do here. OCI team will create will do just create these tools, right?
Here SAS instances will be taken care by not functional. SAS instances will be taken care by directly Oracle only.
Yeah. Okay.
So, but PaaS OCI team will be there.
Okay.
So OCI team will be taken care to create the users, to create the instances, to this tools creation, this tools maintenance, this tools any issue will come, and like how to create the users. These and all will be taken care by OCI team. Okay, I will show you what I have a knowledge how to create the tools. I will show you. I have a document with me because now I cannot create the tool. Why? Because my subscription is over. Now I have a one document with me. I will show you that one how to create the tools. Minute, just a minute. Actually, this document not required for you, but still for just knowledge purpose, we have to go for select developer services integrations. You can click here. So you need to press the create instance. So this screen will be open. When you press the create instance, this screen will be open. You just mentions enterprise production, this one, and number of packs one create. That's it. It is very, very simple. So Oracle integration 3. I told you now Oracle integration Gen 3. It is the Gen 3. 3 means Gen 3, 2 means Gen 2. Understand, guys? Okay. So now, after you create the instance, guys, if you go to the instance, there is a option called FTP server, Visual Builder, process automation. These are the tools from the OIC. So you need to press the enable. First file server enable, wait for 5 minutes. Then Visual Builder enable, wait for 5 minutes. Process automation enable, wait for 5 minutes. Then other tools also will be created. Understand or not? Any confusion, anything, you can feel free to ask me. So till this step, we have created the instances or tools from the PaaS. First, we have to create the OCI account. If you have international credit cards, then we have to go to developer services, integration, create instance, you can press, and then it will ask the screen. So you enter these details, and then there is a file server, Visual Builder, process automation options are there. So you just click on enable. I will show you this screen also, how you need to open this screen. So you click on this screen. So you first it was disable mode. So you need to click on enable, wait for 5 minutes, then again come back, Visual Builder, click on enable, wait for 5 minutes, wait for 5 minutes. So like that we can. It is a tools creation is very, very simple, guys. Not that much complex. Understand any confusion, you can feel free to ask me, guys. But in the real time, for sure, you will not have option to create the tools and OCI account. So once you have done the creation for your tools, you may ask question, how we will open that these tools. So for that, you have to go here, these 3 dots, open console. Open console. This is our OIC tool now. Next.
See, every time that second URL, that OIC URL, that we can copy and you can utilize it, or that passive URL, that integration, it is there na blue icon.
See, you no need to you no need to come pass URL and click 3 dots, open console. You don't need to do every time. So what OCA team will do? OCA team will give this URL to you for developers. Whoever are the developers for the OIC, this URL they will give it to you for the development.
See, can you open that integration, third URL? In
Which
the
one?
developer service. Yeah, can you click on name?
Which one?
In the name, instance name, Apple Cloud.
Okay.
Here now there is a design time, URL runtime. This is different or that is different?
It's design time.
Design time and runtime URL in the second column.
Okay. Yeah, this is the design time and runtime URL. Yeah, correct. You are understanding correct. So this is design time means which you are developing that. Run means you need to use this one.
Okay.
For example, when you are giving these URLs to the third party system, we need to give this one. Development, we need to use this one. Got it, no?
Yeah, yes.
Any question? If it is simple, also you can ask me. So some people will not ask any question because that is simple. Maybe that is correct or not. Like that. That is the reason I'm telling you. I'm giving open space to you for asking any questions. Or anything do you want to repeat once?
No, it's clear.
Okay. So what we have discussed is from the OCI, we have option to create the these tools. So OCI team will give the URL to you. How to get the URL? That I will tell you. How to get the URL? We have 3 dots option, open console. So this URL you will get from OCI team. This URL you will get from OCI team. So you may ask question, sir, when this URL click, directly the integration instance open, or do we have to enter the username and password? Okay. So for your better understanding, copy this URL. Copy this URL. It will ask the username and password. So from the PaaS instance, if you open that console, it will directly open. But if I give if the OCI team has given this URL to you, it will ask the username and password. It will ask password. So from here onwards, users and roles will come into the picture. Understand, right? Click on sign in. So once you open the OIC instance, which has given by OCI team, So if you look at this one, so after you will get the username and password from the OCA team and link. So these options are there now: process, VBCS, settings, observability, healthcare, B2B, design, projects. So these options will be controlled by the roles. The roles will be taken care to control these options. So what roles available in the PaaS that we will discuss now, and how to create the user, how to add the role. So basically, guys, okay, let me show you the role names. If you go to the Google, voices integration roles. So there are the roles available: service administrator, service developer, service monitor, service deployer, service user, service end user, service invoker, service viewer. Interview question, guys. What are the roles available for the OIC? Service administrator, service developer, service monitor. So there are the roles available. So if I add the service administrator role to the user, is the topmost guy. If I add the service administrator role to the user, you will get all these options. You will get all the options. Once again, I will tell you guys. So when we add the service administrator role to the user, we will get all these options. If you create the new user, if you add the service developer role, so Oracle given one, I think one, there is one table is there, that table. What options will come for what role? Service administrator. Oracle document only is there. Let me check that one. OIC role. So there is a one table is there. Okay, this is three. Okay. You have updated the solution. See you have but that option not there. But guys, when we add the roles, when we add the roles, authentication. Previously, they have given one document here, but it is not coming now. Application service also includes.
Yeah, I think it's for generation 2.
Huh?
It's for generation 2.
Yeah, Gen 2 only. Gen 3 also did not come. Adoption order. Let me check in my documents. 1 minute. Okay, so I found that. So this is the one of the screenshot which I have taken from the starting of this one. Okay, so that means so if I add the service administration role, so you will get all these options. So service developer role, you will get all the option. Setting option no. So that means if I add the service administrator role, you will get all these option. So these options I'm talking about. These options. Okay. And if you add a service developer role, all the options will come. Settings option will not come. Service deployer role, based on this yes means option will come. No means the option will not come. If you add the service developer, service deployer, one. But in the real time, so which role you are going to assign service developer role. So we will not have a settings option. In the real time, we will have a service developer role. So we will not have a settings option. Understand or not, guys? Clear? Any questions you can ask me.
Okay, I'm seeing.
So if you want, you can take the screenshot also. This one. I actually it was there in the previously here, but somehow I don't know, but it's not there.
Mochi, can you share this screenshot to that URL? That would be better.
Which URL?
In the videos and the running notes, it is there, na?
I am not understanding what you mean. This one, huh?
No. That table is there, na?
Table. Now only you can take the screenshot, now.
Yeah. Okay.
Now only you can take the screenshot. But this is I have taken from the Google only, guys. But now I'm not able to see this. This in the Google.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you look at this one, go back. Go back. So in the below of this information, I was able to see this table. That time only I have taken this screenshot. Now I'm not sure why it is not coming in. This is Oracle document, right? So they have removed that option. I don't know, but I have taken the screenshot last time that I'm showing now. So which option will come when you add the which role? So when you add the service administrator role, so you will get all options. Service developer role, so we will not get the settings option. Like that. So we will create the user in the pass. So how to create the users? How to create the user? Identity security. Identity and security. Identity and security.
I think go to identity.
Yeah, go to identity. Identity and security. Go to identity. Users. Guys, I'm telling you guys once again, you no need to do practice this one. Just for your understanding purpose only, I'm creating the user. Create user. Do you want me to show navigation once again? So go to the identity. Once again, I will tell you. Here, create users. Create user. So here option to create the user. So if I start also, it will not complete. So tomorrow we'll see how to create the user, how to add the role, and then we'll start the OIC, guys.
Vamshi, one question here na that okay. You cannot create new instance na, so in that case we can create users.
Users we can create, but instances we cannot create after
Yeah,
1 month.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.